Hello everyone. I'm thrilled to come before you today with a heart full of gratitude and excitement. We have just hit a fantastic milestone together. 1000 subscribers on our channel. This is not just a number. It's a testament to the community we are building and every one of you who has joined us on this journey. From the very start, we have been committed to delivering high quality content that it is not only informative but also truly valuable for those interested in quant trading or algo trading. Your support has shown us that hard work does pay off. And for that, I am incredibly thankful. And I knew it, that the sleepless nights when I'm waking up at 2 a.m. sharp every day without fail. Actually, in midway, we missed the videos for a few days, but every day I was waking up at 2 a.m. without fail. I knew it will pay off. I have to put extra efforts. I have to get out of my comfort zone. I cannot achieve what I think if I continue to do so without putting any extra effort. I knew that anyhow I have to improve myself. I have to work on myself. And this journey, this YouTube journey for the last 3-4 months has been instrumental in shaping myself and improving me, literally, in all the areas. I sleep less than 6 hours every day. It's from 4 to 6 hours every day, not more than 6 hours anyhow. And also, I have to take care of my health. So for that, I always commute to the office with my bicycle. And my office is 12 kilometers from my home. So it's 24 kilometers every day. So you can see that. So when people think that every day doing 24 kilometers bike is impossible, but I have done that from last almost close to 2 years. And even for few months, I have done 50 kilometers every day without fail for the continuous 30 days. You can even see that in my Instagram stories. I have posted that also. Anyways, I'm not bragging, but it's for those who really want to grow, who really want to improve themselves. So let's get back to the video. So each comment, like and share has motivated us to keep pushing the boundaries of what we can offer. And let me assure you, this is just the beginning. We are more committed than ever to enhance the quality of the content every single day. We believe in continuous improvement, and your feedback has been instrumental in shaping our journey so far. Looking ahead, we have some exciting plans that we can't wait to share with you. First, we are expanding our video content to include deeper dives into quant strategies and analysis, providing you with practical insights that you can apply directly. Additionally, we are gearing up to offer extensive study materials and resources for those preparing for quant exams or for the quant interviews, or even for those who want to learn for their day-to-day algo or quant trading. Whether you are a student or a professional looking to upgrade your skills, we have got you covered. But that's not all. We are also planning to bring industry experts right here to this channel. Imagine learning directly from seasoned professionals through interviews and interactive Q&A sessions. We are also planning to launch a podcast series where we will talk about latest trends, challenges, and opportunities in quant finance. So stay tuned, keep engaging, and continue to be a part of our growing community. Your involvement is what makes all possible, right? So thank you once again for this incredible support. And for the very first time, I'm asking, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our upcoming content. Until next time, keep analyzing, keep learning, and as always, keep trading smart. Until then, see you, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.